Alright, good morning. We are currently in Beaver Bay on the North Shore in Minnesota, and we're on our way to Black Beach, which is, I believe, by 𝙼𝙼𝙽𝚃𝙸𝙾𝙽. And we're gonna get some really cool photos, some cool videos, hopefully get some cool rocks, maybe find an agate for once, and
no luck so far.
Yeah, no luck so far. But we're gonna have a lot of fun regardless and see a lot of waterfalls, so it's gonna be fun.
Let's go.
Woo! So we made it to Gooseberry Falls, that's what that is behind me, and Shayla is in the car over that way, but no, I'm just kidding. We're actually on our way to the real waterfall.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind, and she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine.
So we made it to Black Beach, and this is the iconic Black Beach. I guess the sand is black, but it's very pretty here. As you can see on Lake Spear, and Shayla is way ahead of me, so I have to go get caught up.
It's so much warmer up here. Like there's no wind. But also there's this photographer and this couple that I think is getting married, and the urge to just want to like take their photo.
And there's Shayla being a photographer, just taking pictures of the seagulls. So we just got done at our first stop, which was Black Beach in 𝙼𝙼𝙽𝙺. Next stop is going to be Gooseberry Falls, and we're going to see some waterfalls, do some hiking. We're going to head up to 𝙻𝙸𝙽𝙺 State Park. I think I said that right. And we're going to try and get some more agates. We haven't found a single agate yet, but I have hope. Shayla has hope. We are going to find one agate at least. And so Shayla went back to Black Beach, which is just a couple-minute walk. We wanted to collect some rocks, and we forgot to bring something to carry like the sand and the rocks in that we could take home with us. But so Shayla went to go get that, and then we will stop at our next stop and check in then.
That's nice of you to say you took me back.
And there's Shayla, dipping her feet in the water, picking rocks. That beautiful specimen of a woman. He's so cute.
Once in a lifetime opportunity seeing Philip eat something sweet.
I'm not really eating it, I'm just cooking it.
Baby, you said you would eat it.
Maybe I'll take a bite of it. Oh.
I love the waves. It's so relaxing in the background.
Yeah, relaxing. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Can we do it real slow?
Let's hear that ASMR.
It's good.
You like it? 10 out of 10. There's some marshmallow on your face, baby.
That's what happens, babe.
1 out of 10, babe.
7.
Alright, it's my turn. Okay. I'm about to go. I like a little bit of burnt, you know?
Yeah.
And then it kind of melts the chocolate a little bit.
It's like super flame.
And my s'more over here. Damn! Okay. Like, damn, that's. I think it's close enough. I think we got it.
I just want to make sure we get all of it.
I thought you were like in my ear.
Maybe.
Look how gooey that is. Now that's how you make a s'more. Here we go, taste test. Oh, look at that. It looks so good.
Hey, I'm the cameraman. I'm just
You're making me uncomfortable.
I'm experimenting, trying to get a good shot.
You're making me dizzy.
Baby, don't look at the camera. Pretend it's just not even here.
Ah, yours looks so. Oh, now there's smoke in my eyes. Yours smells like.
You sit there with our best friends at the wedding.
This is probably going to be it for the vlog. So if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, click the notification bell, join the family, join our journey. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.
So I'll never leave.